Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your character, or you can say how to start over and create new character in Wavin Smith. It's pretty easy. For example, I picked the dual blades early on, which turned out to be a mistake since you can unlock them pretty quickly anyway. That's one of the main reasons you might wanna restart. To begin, press start and head into settings. Once you're there, switch over to other tab, then select bind account. Here you'll see an option under NetEase games. Click the link button, create NetEase account and bind your account character to it. After that, unbind your Steam account. Once the Steam account is unbound, log back in using Steam. The game will then let you create a brand new character and start fresh. Unfortunately, this is the only way to do it right now. The game only allows one character per account and there's no option to delete a character once it's been created. If you wanna do it the other way around and make your Steam account the secondary one, just select this icon here and log out. Then sign in using the new NetEase account you just created. From there, you'll be able to create a new character on that account instead. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.